It's giving Beyonce in her crazy in love era. Come on. Hi guys, hello, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing well. If this is the first time you'll see my face, my name is deebabalola, and if you're a returning subscriber, hey, what's up, how are you doing? Hope you are doing well. So today guys, I am coming to you guys with a hair review. I'm going to be reviewing this unit on my head. Guys, do you see this hair? Now this unit I got on Amazon for about $39. Got this for about $39. It was shipped for about $13, so I ended up spending less than $50 for this unit on my head. This is the Sensational Butter Lace wig in the shade T4 Golden Brown. I am going to be showing you in this video how I installed it, cut it and styled it, and ended up with this finished result right here. So this is the wig that I am going to be reviewing and installing today. This is the Sensational Butter Lace wig in the style Butter Unit 5 in the color T4 Golden Brown. Now I chose this color because summer is coming to an end and I figured I wanted something that I could use towards the end of summer, transitioning into autumn, fall. So yeah, so that's why I got this color. So I'm just gonna get it out of the packaging now. This is the first time I'm actually unboxing this. So this is the wig. It comes nicely packaged like this, nice and secure for your wig. I ordered this wig off of Amazon and this is what it looks like. So it has the information there, and then all the different colors that the wig comes in is on there for you. So I have a lot of What Lace wigs by Sensationnel, and this is my second butter lace wig. I got a butter lace wig, I think it's the unit 1 or 2, which is a long straight one, and I still have that wig. That wig is still thriving, it's amazing. So I figured I would get a curly style this time around. It's available in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 other colors. It blends with most skin tones. It's ear to ear lace with a wide deep hand tied parting area. So it's ear to ear lace, but only the parting area has lace basically. So you don't get lace all over the front area. It's just the way you have your part that has lace. I'll show you that to you. It's pre-plucked with baby hair along the hairline, and it has natural, and it's a natural density hairline. Oh, I love this color. There we go. I'm just gonna take this off now. Ooh, look at that color. This is what it looks like on the inside. It has 3 combs that are covered with this, and then it has your usual elastic for securing it. So as you can see the ear to ear lace on the front, and then you can also see where the lace is for the parting. I love the color. It feels really nice. But right from the get-go, I can see that you don't want to mess around with the curls too much. This is something that you can only use your hands with. Use anything else and it's probably going to go frizzy. So like I was saying, this wig is going to be one of those wigs that you don't want to mess around with it too much. You don't want to run your hands through it too much from what I'm seeing, and it does feel very synthetic, but we'll get to it. So the first thing I am just going to do is I am just going to tint the lace. So I'm going to take my foundation and I am going to apply that on the lace. So I'm just going to turn it inside out, just going to apply that just on the lace area. This is just going to allow it to blend a lot better to match your skin tone and blend well with my scalp as well. For the purpose of the look I am going for with this wig, I am not going to be gluing it down or anything like that. So if you're looking for a tutorial on how to like glue your lace wig down and all of that, this is not the video for you. What I like with my synthetic hair is I like them to be wigs that I can throw on my head and go. So in terms of like laying them down and all of that, I tend not to do that with my synthetic wigs, apart from a few. And I'm not, to be honest, I am not a big fan of lace wigs, if I tell the truth. So I'm going to pop this on my head now. Okay. Ooh. So as you can see the ear to ear lace. Ooh. So I'm going to go ahead and cut this lace. cut the lace. I'm just going to use my hand to just roughen the edges a bit. It needs a bit of framing. Gosh, I'm giving Beyonce. I love the way this wig is looking. I've done absolutely nothing. The lace melts so well with my hair, and I could literally just rock it like this. But I'm gonna style it. It's looking a bit, you know, a bit boxy. The first thing I think I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut some bangs into it. 3-finger routine, a little bit of hair. Do the same on this side. I'm gonna crisscross it and then just basically cut it with my lip here. Bangs. I think I like it like this. I was gonna thin it out a bit, but I think, you know, with synthetic hair over time it tends to frizz up a little bit, so I think I will thin it out then. This is it, guys. I'm really loving this. Like I said, I could go in and thin it down a little bit, but I think I'm gonna hold off doing that until I have worn it for a bit longer, just because with synthetic hair you tend to lose volume over time. This is the wig, guys. I really just wanted to come on and do this review just to show you how versatile and easy these synthetic wigs are, and how you're able to switch up your look, change up your look without spending too much money, basically. So obviously your expectations regarding this wig needs to be I don't want to say lowered, but it's not human hair. It's not virgin human hair, so you cannot treat it like virgin human hair. If you want details on how I maintain my synthetic and premium fiber wigs, I have a video which I will link in the description box that shares how I would maintain a wig like this. Do go and check it out. So yeah, so this is the wig, guys. I really like it. I really like this color. The curls are giving me I will get tangled pretty soon, but let's see how it goes. I will do like a review in a vlog, but the curls are giving me don't brush me, don't run hands through me, and don't sleep with me on. But guys, look at this. This is with me not gelling or anything. The baby hairs are on there. I've left my baby hairs on, so it's one of them wigs that you will have to play around with. It's not going to be one of those wigs that is going to last you a long time, but I feel like for the meantime, for the price I paid for this wig, I love it. I absolutely love it. And yeah, comment below if you want to see more wig tutorials, and also let me know what you think about the wig in the comment section. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.